In my opinion, the best gloves for welding are the Kevlar Blue XT gloves made by Elliott's. Unlike a typical welding glove which terminates right before the elbow, extended cuff gloves come right up to the shoulder. This is particularly advantageous if you're welding in a welding apron which doesn't protect the arms. However, because extended cuff gloves are a little bit more uncomfortable because of the heat and slightly limit range of motion, what I tend to do at my day job is wear a regular welding glove on my right hand and an extended cuff glove on my left, because the left hand gets a lot closer to the welding arc, meaning you get a lot more burns on this arm. A right-handed welder will typically go through a lot more left-handed gloves than right ones. This is why companies like Lefties exist, which allow you to just get gloves of the left hand. In addition to being immensely comfortable, the Kevlar Blue also comes with fantastic stitching, and these gloves will last a really long time. I've welded in the same pair of these for over 3 months, several hours a day, and they still are holding together just fine. Thanks for watching, God bless, see you next time, maybe check out some of my other videos, bye.